Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I thought that we should take a look at Harmony One. I'm gonna bring you some quick technical analysis on the price. What's happening with the price? You know, I still hold my Harmony One. I'm staking it, making passive income. So, you know, it helps to do a little breakdown on the price. If it's something that's sounding interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a, I was gonna say love live. Subscribe if you're new watching. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my own personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, I want to start off with this big white line because it's been a minute. It's been a long minute since I've done a technical analysis video on Harmony. This white line, I was calling it the granddad line. Why? Because it was a very powerful line. And you can see here in the past, whenever it was above it, you know, kind of held some support. If it broke it, it was really hard to try and break above. Look, you can see this rally here, tried to break above this white line. It fouled. It, dropped it straight back down. And then it came for a second attempt. Look, fouled. And then it came for a third attempt and broke above it. And look what happened when it broke above it. Price action, you know, it was bouncing above it. We had a little bit of a price, can call it a bit under, you know, but this area was bouncing above it and it held some good support. You can see some support here when we dropped back in, what is this, November 2021, bounced off of it. And look where we are now, guys. Look where we are now. And this is why I think it's a powerful line because, you know, I haven't changed it. I haven't touched it or anything. I just left it. And, you know, you can just see what price action does around it. And right now you can see that it's been bouncing off it, trying to hold support off this line. This line's powerful. I did a video a while back showing how to draw it. If you want me to show you how to draw this line, drop your comments down below, let me know. I will show you how to draw this granddad line because it seems to be significant right now for me anyway. You know, when I look at the price analysis and stuff, if it can remain above this and keep bouncing above it, we should see, you know, Harmony reverse back and see a nice trend reversal. I want to bring up two moving averages. I got down here the 200-day moving average. We're on the daily time frame over here, right? 1D. And I'm going to bring up the, let me see it, the 21. So let's focus on the bottom one first, which is the, let me see if I can hide this. I want to keep it clean and simple so you can see. Here we go. So the 200. The 200 here, we are below it right now. And we're, you know, we've got to come above it because if we're below the 200, it can bring downside action to Harmony, you know, if it doesn't break above it. Let's see what happened when it was below the 200 before. Well, you know, here we broke below, we saw a nice sharp drop. Let me just see what else happened when we're below the 200. So, you know, price came down below the 200. Okay, I suppose the 200 on the daily time frame isn't that bad. I suppose it's more of this 21 that we want to focus on. But right now, the 21's right up here. Whenever we've been above the 21, you can see it in the past again, we've always rode it like a wave. You know, price action bounces above it. Same as if we're below it, you know, rejects it, finds it hard to break above. Right now, you know, because of what's been going on with Bitcoin and stuff, it's been indecisive as to what it wants to do. But it's an altcoin. And for me, altcoins are going to perform really well regardless of what happens to Bitcoin because money's going to flood out of Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, and flow into altcoins, Harmony being one of them. So I do expect it to see further upside in the future. And again, let's keep focusing on this granddad line, see if it can remain above it, because if it doesn't, it's going to have a hard time trying to break above it again, I tell you. But right now, you know, it doesn't look too bearish. I know we've seen some downside actions, but it doesn't look too bearish. If I quickly grab up this Fibonacci again, where is it? Let me find it. Hold on. Nope, doesn't want to show me it. I thought I'll draw another one. It's fine. Because the Fibonacci was interesting because it shows like support levels. Let me just grab it here. So we're going to go from the last highs down to the last lows, which is somewhere down here. That'll do. And you can see some support levels. So let's just have a look. Have a little chin wag. What they call it in UK. What is a chin wag? Is that when you're talking to someone? Yeah, we're just having a little chin wag. Is that what it is? I can't remember. I just used to hear like my mum and her friends be saying, "Oh, chin wag." Well, anyway, chin wag. Isn't it? Have a little chat. I don't know. Chin wag. It's just a weird word, isn't it? Okay, so we've got some support around here. We've got the support down here in this little yellow box, my golden ratio box. Hold on, let me come back. I want to see what the Fibonacci is. The Fib is, so this is like a golden pocket between the 0.618 and the 702. Whoa, actually 0.65. I believe that if we do see further upside action, I think Harmony will come up to here first, which is the 22 cent. Okay, if Harmony breaks above this 200 line, 22 cent is what I'm looking at. If it performs well, goes better than that, I see it coming up here. There's nothing stopping it. I see it coming up here, which is the, oh no, bring it down a bit. This next retracement level here, 33 cents, and who knows, maybe it can extend on to printing another all-time high. But anywhere between here is where I would expect price action to go if it performs well. If we see a break downwards, guys, where am I looking? Well, there's been support here before. Could be support here again, because I'm looking back here. Look, you can see this whole area here. Look, support in this yellow area. Was there support here again in the yellow area? Look, we've got some movement and stuff down here in this yellow area. So I would expect Harmony's price to come down to this yellow, hold some support right somewhere around here. Let me see if I can put a line somewhere here. 16 cents, a bit lower, 3 cents lower. That's what I'm thinking. And at that point, we're obviously going to be below this white line. So then we'll have to decide what's going to happen with the price. Is it going to, resist to go back above or not? So we'll see. I just wanted to give you those price targets to, you can take with you on your journey. Look at this on the weekly time frame though, because this was interesting. 1 week, and I'm gonna take everything off. I'm gonna take off the fib. I want to take it all off. I just want to show you, clean and simple. Cough action. Whoa! I want to show you this. Let me find it. The ribbons, the exponential ribbons. Why? Because this shows. Let me do it on a log. This shows Harmony on the weekly time frame and how bullish it looks. Look, when we crashed back in April, May, down here, look, we came right down to the red area, and you can look close. We bounced off of it. Look, we bounced off wicks straight back up. We bounced off of it, and there was no tangle in this ribbon. Usually, if it's bearish, you see a tangle in the ribbons. The yellow tangles, it all tangles, and yellow comes down. But we haven't seen that. It's been bullish, and there's no tangle. So, on the weekly time frame, Harmony's looking good. Yeah, it's a sharp drop, but, good support. Look at the support, guys. And we could see Harmony, get a nice, fresh rally back up. So I'm watching that. Going to see what happens there. And obviously, here's the tangle. Look, see the tangle? My fine example of a tangle right here, where the yellow's below, the tangle's here. And you see what happens when the tangle crosses, goes bullish, price just shoots up. So, I just wanted to share that with you. It's looking all right. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. I just wanted to, short and sweet, drop you one of these. I might bring another video as well on another coin. I don't know. Maybe you should drop some comments on what coins you want to see technical analysis on. It's good to hear what you guys want to see. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.